beautiful. How are you? I am blessed as we all are. And I hope that you are blessed too. As promised, I'm coming back on to do something different. I just want to like switch it up just a little bit to do a Louis Vuitton handmade item giveaway. So for those of you for those of you who are in okay, for those of you who are interested in winning a handmade Louis Vuitton item, just stay tuned, okay? Cue the intro. Okay, so we are back. And I'll let you know what that item is later on. But since we're talking about Louis Vuitton, and that seems to be my thing right now, I don't know what happened. I've always owned maybe a few pieces, and I love the older Louis Vuitton items because the quality is amazing. The newer items, some of them, the quality is not as it was back in the day. I just want to showcase a couple of things that I have. I have like probably 30 Louis Vuitton items. Majority are purses. I have shoes. I have accessories. I even have like Louis Vuitton jewelry. And so I just want to just switch it up and just kind of share with you what I do when it's not about hair. And then I will show you what you can win afterwards. Now, what I have done lately is I've started getting into the pre-loved Louis Vuitton items. Someone else had them before, and they don't want them anymore. And so there's this website that I go on, and if it's something that I like, I get it. And then I have some brand new Louis Vuitton items that I've walked in the store and purchased myself. I hadn't always known what it was like to purchase Louis Vuitton items straight from the store. So anyway, that's a door that I just want to share with you guys. First thing I want to do is share with you my latest purchase. Oh my God. One was a gift, and the other one I purchased a long time ago. And so I'm going to start there, and just bear with me because this is the first time where I'm really going out of my comfort zone and, exposing myself just a little bit. Anyway, I don't care. So the first thing I want to do is I want to showcase a couple of the items that I already own. One was a gift from my husband for Christmas, and then the other one I've always owned. So one is brand new and the other is pre-loved. And also I'm going to unbox this as well. And so that way I can share with you guys what I saw and what I love. I think that I'm going more towards like unicorn items, which means, for those of you that aren't familiar with that, a unicorn item is something that is no longer being produced and sold by Louis Vuitton. So that's why I ventured into the pre-loved market, is because the items that I love and I want aren't being made anymore. Thank you to the new and old subscribers. Thank you for hanging in there with me. I love you. I appreciate you so much. So I wanted to make sure that I acknowledge you, and I thank you so much. So first of all, I want to show you my Stephen Sprouse Speedy 30. I just love this. And I even had a heart painted on the side, you see, and it says, babe, because that's my nickname. I love the Steven Sprouse Louis Vuitton collaboration because I love the colors. There's something about orange and pink that goes together. I just love those two colors together. And so when I saw this years ago, I mean, we're talking about in the 80s, I had to have it. And I took every dime that I could beg, borrow, and I never stole it, but found and saved my money up and purchased this. It is one of my very favorite unicorn bags. So I can stand up and model it for you, I guess. I don't know, what do you think? So let me do that, or just at least you could see it on me to see. See that? Girl. I think this is such a beautiful bag. It really is. I don't wear this bag. This bag wears me. So I feel like sometimes I'm the accessory to the bag. Now, the next bag that I'm going to show you is a bag that my husband gifted me for Christmas. Now, I did not get this bag on Christmas Day. What had happened was, normally what we do is we do our exchanges on Christmas Day and we give the kids and grandkids whatever we want them to have. I noticed there was nothing under the tree with my name on it. And so I was kind of like, wow, okay, so what's going on here? But I didn't see a bag with my name on it or anything. I'm like, okay. I didn't say anything because we are so blessed to have each other. I gave him his gift and he's all thankful and everything. And, like, okay. I just said whatever because he's so good to me anyway. You know what? All right, I'll let this one slide for whatever reason. A few days later, I was in the grocery store and I came across one of my friends and she was carrying that bag that I had been eyeing. And so I walked up to her, gave her hugs, and like, hey girl, what's up? Why you got my bag? She's like, well, you can borrow it if you like anytime you want. And I'm thinking, yeah, okay. I don't normally borrow. But I'm like, all right, girl, whatever, and this shows her heart. Girl, as soon as I got home, there was this box there with my name on it. Yay! I couldn't rip that box open fast enough. And hubby had surprised me with the same exact bag that old girl was wearing, which has been one bag that I have been chasing forever. They're hard to get. I know you probably can see it in the background right there. They're really hard to get, and when one comes available, you have to jump on it. So hubby went to the Louis Vuitton store and ordered it for me, and it is finally in. And guess what? He said it took about 6 months to get it. I'm so thankful. And this is called the Pochette Matisse Reverse Monogram. Look at this bag. Girl, I was just like too done. I was too done. Look at that. And it has the black top handle so you can carry it like this. Or you can attach the strap on, and you can carry it on the shoulder, or you can carry it crossbody like this. And the strap is adjustable, so you can adjust it to whatever height that you feel comfortable wearing it. I love this purse. Now, you open it like this. Okay, you gotta squeeze these two right here. And that's how it looks on the inside. And it's really dark inside, but yeah. I have come to the unboxing, which is really what I want to do because I've seen those, but I need to get to the unboxing. I have my scissors and I am ready. You're going to see this the first time just like I am in person. Let's get to getting. Y'all still there? I swear I'm getting there as fast as I can here. Let me sit this down so I don't kill nobody. That was sweet of her. Uh-oh. Then she gave me a bag. Now here we go. And here is the cover. Oh my goodness. It is my other unicorn bag, which is the Aqua L. And it's in a 30. And what I have learned is the Aqua L in the 30 is rarer than the Aqua L in the 35. Most people prefer the 30, size 30, because the 35, most people find that it's too big to carry. So any Speedy that I buy is in the 30. And here it is. Obviously, she put this on there for me as a gift. Isn't that adorable? And it also comes in black, and so I am hunting that down as well. It is beautiful. It is so beautiful. Inside is an organizer. As you can see, it's pink. It is so cute. And there's some tissue in there as well. Thank you so much. And you could keep all of your things organized in this bag. You could put your cell phone in there, your makeup, lipsticks, or whatever. These bags have a tendency of just being like a big, vast hole if you don't have an organizer to go in with it. That is what I have to show you today. I'll come back on if you want to see more. I will be thrilled to show you what I have collected. That's pretty much it as far as today. Showing you what I love. My passion is Louis Vuitton at the moment. When I'm done, I'm done. But that is my hobby. That's just a part of C-Babe that you guys don't get a chance to see. And I want you to get to know me, who I am. On to the giveaway. What I am going to do is to offer someone a handmade Louis Vuitton item. Now, these earrings, not these that I'm wearing, I promise you that, are beautiful Louis Vuitton handmade earrings. And I love it because they go with anything. You see, you got the little flower that Louis Vuitton has on their monogram. Like right here, the round one. And it is, see, like that one right there. So what people are doing is they're taking their old bags and they're ripping them apart, and then they are recycling their items into bracelets, necklaces, earrings. And I think that is so amazing, because if a bag is worn out to the point to where, you know, it's not usable or it may have holes in it, you don't want to carry it. So then these very creative women have gotten together and they started repurposing them. And so what I would like to give away are these earrings to one person, not these that I'm wearing, but I have quite a few of them. And to one person, I'm going to give away this Louis Vuitton cap with the cute so soft. You know, it's wintertime, it's cold. This is like fur lined or whatever material this is. It's not real fur, I guarantee you that. But this is lined and it will keep your head warm. So what I suggest, since, you know, most of us natural hair women, we know not to put this up against our hair, but to wear like a satin cap underneath and then put this on top. And this is so adorable. It's a nice neutral color and it has the Louis Vuitton XL there. That is what we have as a giveaway. So whomever wins this will also get the planner. And then whoever wins the earrings, you get the earrings. Free of charge, no shipping. I pay for everything. And I have purchased several of these. So if you are interested, please stay tuned on my channel. We'll be doing giveaways here and there, as well as showing you my other Louis Vuitton purchases, which I'm so blessed to have. I love you. I know this video's long. I love you so much. And I just thank you for stopping by. I need you to hit the like button. I need you to share my video. And I also need you to subscribe and place below, give me that hat. Okay, or give me those earrings. And then we will randomly pick someone who can be the lucky person to win the hat and the planner or these earrings. So either say, give me that hat or give me those earrings. I'll have one of my grandchildren to pick someone. We will notify you. This is only for my subscribers and I will check. I will check. And so I'm going to start doing giveaways like this. So if you're interested, you know, tag somebody, share my video, like the video, hit that notification bell below so that you will be notified on my next giveaway video. I love you guys so much. I truly, truly do with all my heart. And once again, I thank you so much for stopping by my channel. And I hope all is blessed. You take care. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next video, okay?